students, welcome back to my channel Logic Flow. Well, in today's video, we will discuss about how to score 21 to 30 marks in second PUC Computer Science. That is, we will be discussing about the passing package. And we will discuss the most important chapters that what you have to go through to score minimum 21 to 30 marks, leaving MCQ. If you just concentrate on these chapters, that what I say, you can definitely score 21 to 30 marks. So watch the video till the end. Do not skip the video. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and share the video to all your friends. So here we have these chapters, the most important chapters, and if you concentrate only these chapters completely, you can score, see the total, 38 marks. So approx you can score 21 to 30 marks. See, when we usually say you have to concentrate on the question paper questions, important questions. But what I suggest you people is, don't concentrate on important questions. Concentrate on important chapters with which you can score 21 to 30 or 30 to 35, 38 like this. So 38 will be the highest margin and you can score within that. So when you concentrate on important chapters rather than on important questions, it will be very useful to you and you can study only those chapters and be very confident that you can get through your exam. So for the computer science subject, second PU computer science, if you concentrate on these important chapters, you can get maximum of 38 marks. So let me tell about these chapters. The first chapter, very simple chapter, which is basic concepts of object-oriented programming. It is totally theory-based. So when we come to the theory chapters, it will be easy for few students to mug up few definitions. As you all know, you have two different divisions here. One is the theory part division, the other one is the programming part division. Means some theory oriented chapters and the programming oriented chapters. You all know that. And few students will go through only theory oriented chapters and few students can go through only programming part chapters. Programming part in the sense like the C++ contents. But few people or few students face difficulties to learn the programming part chapters. But there are few definitions part or some theoretical aspects part in programming part chapters also, which will be very easy to learn and understand. The first chapter that what you need to read, which will have 7 marks, is basic concepts of object-oriented programming. So you will have one question of 2 marks and one question of 5 marks. 2 plus 5, totally 7 marks. One 2 marks question and one 5 marks question. The next one is classes and objects. And even this is also, you can just practice all the syntax, some small examples and small definitions. You can somehow manage with it. So here you have 6 marks. One is of MCQ, the other one is 5 marks question. MCQ, if you leave also, you can get maximum of 5 marks. Then function overloading, it is again 6 marks, 1 plus 5, one MCQ and the other one is 5 marks question. So again, if you leave the MCQ, maximum 5 marks you can get from this chapter. So in this function overloading, we will have only some theoretical aspects that what you need to read and some programs that what you have already learned in the practical sessions. You have completed your practical exams, so there you have learned some practical programs. Maybe it is function overloading, right? So you may get the question of the program also. or some theoretical aspects also. Then logic gates. All these logic gates you have learnt with the Boolean algebra chapter also. You have to learn the truth table, you have to learn the logic symbol and small definitions. So it is of 4 marks. So again here it is 1 plus 3, 1 is of MCQ. If you leave that MCQ, maximum 3 marks you can get. And the Boolean algebra chapter, a few people or few students face difficulties in learning all those theorems and laws. But at least you can draw a K-map, which will be for 5 marks. Compulsory 5 marks question, K-map you will have. Actually, this chapter is of 10 marks. You have one MCQ, 2 marks question, 2 marks question. So you will have 2 marks question and 1 5 marks question. So it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 marks. But if you only concentrate on K-map means it is 5 marks. Then it is data structures. Hope data structures you all know, but when we get into the data structure, we think it is a very big chapter. But you have many theory aspect questions, like what are all the operations, different types of queues, different types of like linked list, and you have some operations that what you can perform on arrays. All these are theory aspects. So you can easily learn those definitions. There is no difficulty in learning the definitions if you leave the algorithm also. Actually, it is 14 marks. So you can have 1 marks of MCQ. Again, I can leave that MCQ. 1 3 marks question and 2 5 marks question. In that 2 5 marks question, I have taken only 1 5 marks question, which may be some questions on theoretical aspects, like as I said, the different types of operations on linear data structure, then it may be array data structure, or it can be primitive data structure, or you can have the questions like write the applications of stacks, queues. Then you can also have the different types of queues, different types of linked lists. So all these are some theory questions you can somehow manage with 5 marks. So it is 5. So totally it is 38 marks. So in this 38 marks, you may skip a few things. So as I said, you can leave this MCQ part from classes and objects, one more MCQ from function overloading, one more MCQ from logic gates. So it is 38 minus 3. If I do 38 minus 3 means 35. Okay. And again, some students may feel difficulty in drawing K-map. They don't know how to calculate that laws and all. They don't know the theorems and all. So if you feel difficulty to learn K-map, you can leave K-map also. So out of this 35, again if I say 35 minus 5, it is 30. So if you leave this K-map also. And again data structures. It is actually programming part chapter. Sometimes you may not get a theoretical aspect question. You may get an algorithm. But you have 2 5 marks question. Out of that 2 5 marks question, one may be algorithm and one may be the simple question. So it is 5. Bad luck. You don't get that simple question also. So even this 5 marks gone. So I'll just say again, this 30 minus 5 means it is 25. So if you just concentrate till here, and if you skip all these MCQ also, just calculate. It is 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 10 17, 17 plus 5 it is 22, 22 plus 3 it is 25. You can score 21 to 25 marks if you read these chapters completely. If you read these chapters completely. How many chapters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 chapters out of 17 chapters. If you read only 5 chapters completely, thoroughly, then you can definitely score 25 marks. Leaving MCQ, you can score 25 marks. So these are all the important chapters. Well, this is the first session of scoring the passing marks, you have one more session where I will be discussing about each and every chapters, these 5 chapters. So you have to watch my content continuously. Exams are nearing very. See, you have your exams, computer science exam, it's very nearing. You can watch my content continuously, note down all the things, then you can definitely score this 25 marks. And if you want to still put your effort, still more effort, then you can also score this 5 marks, and see totally 10, it will be 35. So you can at least score 25 to 35 marks if you concentrate on these chapters. Stay tuned to my channel. I'll get back to all these chapters in detail. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like this video. Understand these things that what I have explained. Concentrate on these 5 important chapters first. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.